Hi guys, hello and welcome back to another hair episode by Julia. Guys, look at this hair, look at my hair. This is my hair, this is my hair. Look at this hair, okay? Look how I'm rocking this. Hi guys, welcome back to another hair series. Look at how these curls are looking. Look at how this hair is looking. So hi guys, so this is the hair that we're going to be working with. Boo! And the hair is from YGwigs. YGwigs. Yes, YGwigs. So it came with these clips right here. It came with this beautiful headband. As you can see it, they gave us a mask, earrings. Oh my. So this is the hair, guys. So today we're going to be rocking this curly wig, and it has a bang. So my babies with a big forehead, my babies who would really love to try out something that has a bang on the front, this is definitely for you. It's actually a human wig, so you don't need to be, oh, is it synthetic? No, it is human wig, so it doesn't have any lace because we don't need anything. You don't need anything like a lace. But from the wig is actually new, so it's kind of like, dry on the, it's kind of like dry, and I hate to just put on a wig that is dry just on my hair. So I'm going to get a bit of conditioner. This is from Practice, and I'm going to get a bit of aloe vera water. It's going to help keep my wig super moist. Okay, I love it when the curls are looking so natural, and I also want to make it look like my natural hair. So that is the aim. So I'm going to put in my conditioner just to make it super soft and define my curls. Guys, if you really want to enjoy these curly wigs, you should definitely try and wear them when they're a bit moist, not too dry. You actually get to enjoy them the more. So I'm just putting in a bit of conditioner and also spraying it with a bit of aloe vera juice. Yes, aloe vera juice, just to make it soft. So to keep my moisture and to define the curls that I really need, I'm going to just put it in a twist. Yeah, because this is actually night, so I was going to put it in the neck on the next day. Yes, yeah, so I'm just putting it just like this to keep it moist. You see, whenever you do like this, you keep the hair super hydrated. Yes. So yeah, I'm just putting it in these two soft twists to maintain the curls and also to maintain the moisture, so that I don't have to spray my hair when I'm moving out. So this is the side that is dry. You can see it. This is the side that is dry, and this is the side that has a bit of moisture. So you can actually get to choose which one you really love, or you would really decide to take. But for me personally, I love it when it is a bit moist. I like it. I just love how the curls are going to look like. And since I want to make it look like my own natural hair, that is my goal. This is what I'm trying to do. So I'm also going to braid my front line. As you can see, I'm also, twisting it up so that also these curls can be Yeah, so it is all done. I'm just going to leave it overnight, but this is how it looks like. Simple. Everyone can actually do this. You can look at how the hair is shiny. I also want to bring out that sheen from the hair. So yeah, so this is me the following day, the following morning. I want to rock my hair and look so serious. So this is the hair. I know in the beginning it's going to look so weird, so wrong, so hard. But anyway, this is how it looks. I know it looks like it. But let us just remove the twist and we see how the hair is going to look like. So I'm just removing my twists just like this, and look at that curl. Look at how moist it looks. It's not wet. Guys, there is a difference between seeing something that is super wet, the wig that is so wet, all that, and something that you see that has a bit of sheen, moisture. You feel like it's so hydrated, it's not such a dry kind of a wig. That is what I mean. You can see mine. So I'm removing all the twists and you can see from the trees how everything is looking like, how everything is looking like. Yes, so this is it, and I'm removing everything right here. All right, so when we get to this step, as you can see, you start to unravel each and every hair that you see on your hair. Okay, just start unraveling them, apart from unraveling the twists that we actually had initially. So we're also making like the hair look like fluffy. I need it full. If you really actually needed the hair like fuller, this is a trick that you should use. Yeah, just do like this. So you're going to actually realize that it looks like more full. It looks like full. Too full, more full, so full. Exactly, yes, what I've said. Okay, so yeah, I'm just unraveling all my hair on my head, just like here, and you can see, I just love how it looks like the curls are looking super natural. So this is how my hair is looking like after detangling. Is this called detangling, or like, yeah, unraveling the twists and all that? So I'm just going to go in with a scissor just to kind of like trim the front part so that they don't have to stay and sit in my eyes. Yes. Bless me, Lord. Yeah, so I'm just removing the excess hair that I don't want to appear on my face. Yeah, because I still want to look. I still want to see the future. The future is bright. Amen. Okay, so this is how my hair is looking like. So in case you just want to rock it, you can just rock it like this and move out of the house. You're good to go. You're done. Your hair is looking like so fantabulous. Good. This hair is actually from YGwigs, so don't forget that, and check my description box, guys. I usually leave codes for you. You get coins off, you get to save whenever you use my code. Okay, don't forget that. Thank you so much. I'm just putting this headband around just to kind of like style it. It doesn't look like good if you just wear it like just put it on the head and you go. They give us these accessories, so let us use them. Let us try and utilize them so that we can, slay our wigs. Yeah, wow, yeah. So yeah, I'm putting on my headband, and this is how it's coming out. Just make sure that you position it in a place where you feel like you're looking cute. That's something that I have to tell you. Position it in a place where you feel like you're looking super cute. So this is how everything is turning out. This is the first look, and the second one, I actually got this scarf. I got it off Amazon. I just loved the mustard. Hey, I wanted to kind of change my life, so I put on this one, this color that mustard lies. This mustard, I just love how it glows on my face, how it brings out the color of the wig, how everything is moving. Like when you're wearing wig, you want to be in a position where you can wear wig in so many different styles. Okay, yeah, so you can wear this style anywhere. I don't care where you're coming from, but you can wear this style like anywhere. I tell you that. So just make sure you always position it in a place where you feel like it's looking so cute. Okay, that is what I always tell you. And guys, don't forget to like this video. Please give it a thumbs up and check my comment. I usually leave the details and everything right there. So in case you don't want to rock it with a scarf and you just want to rock it plain, I told you this is how it looks. If you just want to rock it and rock it, yeah, cute. Okay, so let me try and style it with a scarf. I'm not good at styling, but just look how I move how I'm doing all the movement. I think it's best than me just talking. Yeah, just see how I'm going to do this scarf. This is a game changer. Like look at this. Just wait, we're not yet done. We're still styling the hair. Where are you going? Okay, so we're still styling the hair just like this, so you can see what I'm doing. Yeah, thank you so much. So just bring it behind, a little bit behind, And I'm going to get a pin just to secure this scarf. So I just got it from my drawer and I just put it on around my scarf, and boom, this is how it's coming out. This is how it's looking like. Yes, looking so natural, right? Looks like my natural hair. Looks like my natural hair. So sometimes you just want to braid it a little bit so that it can look like as if you have braids, as if you have twists with your natural hair. That is what I told you. Just twist it up, just as you see what I'm doing, and you're good to go. Like, it's not complicated. You actually don't need to be perfect for these twists to actually come out. You just have to learn how to just, like twist it up as if it's a rope, like it's as if it's a rope. For it, the curls and everything, it will define itself, so you don't need to worry or do what or call the police or what. Just go get yourself this hair, okay? It's from YGwigs, okay? Thank you so much. Okay, so this is how it's looking, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.